Just beside Wigton, I've got a farmhouse to Softwash, and it's this property here. So it's a painted render, and it was painted, I think they said about 5 years ago. But it's only when you get close up you can see that there's quite a bit of lichens on there, a lot of mould. And I did a test patch a couple of weeks ago, and I'll show you what that looks like. That's the test patch that I did. Should clean up well on this side. Yeah, this will clean up really well. Oh, farm dog. Old farm dog, that one. And I'll do this end here as well. So, let's see how we get on with this one. Side has actually got first treatment on, so there is quite a contrast. Don't know if that comes up on the camera. So I've done half, so this has been treated, this hasn't been treated. I'll show you what we're looking like now. So it's really cleaned it up very well. And so all the staining's gone. And so we put treatment on it, then we hot washed it off, and final biocide treatment. So if there's any spores on there, if I look closer, let's have a look up here, see if we can see any spores. Yeah, so there's still a few spores there. They'll just drop off now. Well, overall, very pleased with that. And if you've enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you subscribe, you'll get notifications of future videos. and I'll see you on the next one.